All right, so in about 30 days, this brand that I work with generated over $200,000 using paid ads, specifically Facebook ads. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact prompt that I used in ChatGPT to generate the ad copy that was used in this campaign. So if you don't know me, my name is Daniel. I'm a paid ad strategist, digital marketer, whatever you want to call it. I work mainly with Facebook ads, TikTok ads, Google ads, and I help brands 6 to 7 figures earn more using paid ads, help them scale their brands. And I work with people who want to learn Facebook ads and just how to run paid ads in general. So in this video, I just want to show you the exact ChatGPT prompt that I use. It's very simple. Now, disclaimer, this copy that I'm about to show you right now is not the exact copy that I used in this campaign, but this is the exact style that I used in generating this copy. Now, on my team, I do work with a copywriter, but over the last couple of months, I've just been experimenting with ChatGPT. As you know, it's become very popular. And I just realized that this is something that I can, get more out of by educating myself on how to use it properly. And that's exactly what I did. So let's jump right into it. So this brand is an e-commerce brand. They sell, I'm not going to reveal that, but it's a brand that's been in business for almost 2 years. They have very good products and people love them. So they have a very awesome track record of serving their clients and people love their products. So this is one thing I tell people: if you're running ads or if you want to invest in ads, always make sure that the product you're trying to sell is proven, it's tested, and people love it. You don't want to invest in paid ads on something that isn't proven. I always tell people, do not do that. Always try to validate your product, or if you want some quick validation, then you can invest a little bit into ads, but do not put all your eggs in one basket. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'm on my phone right now. Hopefully this is recording. I opened up ChatGPT as you would normally. Sign up chat.openai.com. In fact, I use the free version. You don't have to upgrade to GPT-4. So as you can see right here, this is the prompt. I say, you are a world-renowned sales copywriter. Now, what that does is make ChatGPT think like a copywriter, because there's a big difference between writing, copy for email, for, a website, for a blog, and writing copy for sales. It makes ChatGPT think like a copywriter. Therefore, it can tap into all the resources it has into writing copy that follows some copywriting frameworks. Okay. So I let it know that you are a world-renowned sales copywriter. So right now I want you to think like one. So I go ahead and give it some context. Now, what context does is that it gives it all the relevant information about your product. So in this case, I have a mini detachable mic that can be attached to mobile phones to improve sound quality. My goal is to run a Facebook ad campaign to promote this product to content creators. Some of the unique selling points of this product is better audio quality, creating content on the go without investing in expensive gear. Now, you want to give ChatGPT as many contexts as possible in this section of the prompt. You want to tell it everything you know about the product, down to the unique qualities, the unique selling points, and anything that would help ChatGPT come up with a copy that sells. Just like a regular copywriter, they need all the information about this product, what are the demographics, the price range, just about anything that would make your copy stand out. Then I go ahead and say task. Now, this is a prompt method I learned actually from a guy on Twitter. You want to give it context, you want to give it a personality, you want to give it context, then you want to give it a task. So that way it follows those things sequentially, and it's going to give you better responses. So I say task, write me 5 headlines and ad copy for this product. Then I say, keep it fun and simple and compelling. In the copy, include 3 to 5 bullet points of the benefits using check marks and add emojis where necessary, and also include a CTA, which is a call to action. Now, I'm telling it to keep my ad copy fun. I'm giving my ad copy personality. I want it to sound human. Then I say, include 3 to 5 bullet points. If you're writing copy for sales, especially for a product, you want to make sure that you highlight the importance, the usefulness, the unique selling points of this product in bullet points, because people don't have time to be reading a whole long ass copy. They want to go over the unique selling points, as fast as possible. And that's what using bullet points enable them to do. And I also say use check marks and add emoji where necessary. Now, for running Facebook ads, I always tell people to add some type of emoji, so that that way people know that this was written by a human. Emojis always have this relatability with it, so people know that, okay, this is not something serious. They just want to, because people are not on Facebook to buy stuff. They're on Facebook to socialize, to connect with friends, to watch cat videos and whatnot. So this is the exact prompt. And here right now, this is the headline and the copy that ChatGPT went ahead and gave me. Of course, I'm still going to go ahead and do some editing here. Headline: boost your mobile sound quality in seconds. You see, there's power in numbers, right? When you say something like boost your sound quality in seconds rather than boost your sound quality quickly, what does that even mean? But when you say boost your sound quality in 10 minutes, then people get, they pay more attention, and that's exactly what's happening here. The second headline: unleash your creativity. Then the third headline: crisp sound on the go. Fourth headline: turn your phone into a pro recording studio, unlock exceptional sound quality, and so on and so forth. So this is the copy that generated with ChatGPT. This is the exact framework that I used to generate the copy that I used to, for this brand to generate over $200,000 in less than a month. So if this has been helpful, if you find any value in it, consider subscribing to this channel. And if you have any questions regarding prompt, running ads, if you want to learn how to run ads or invest in paid ads for your business, do not hesitate to reach out. I have the contact information down in the comment section. Book a call with me and let's talk about it. Again, my name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next video.